Welcome to Toddler Tales time. Let's ride along on a sunny day. See all the vehicles come what may. Cars, buses, and trains will meet. Boats and planes, oh what a treat. Vroom, vroom, cars go fast. Zooming down the road they blast. Red, blue, green, and yellow. Friendly beeps, what a mellow fellow. Ride, 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 let's all explore. Different transports, there's so much more. From the land to the sky so high. Ride with us now, don't be shy.
Big buses go stop and go, taking us places high and low. Hop on board, find a seat. Buses make our trip so neat.
Choo-choo, the train on the track. Round and round, there and back. Through the tunnels flashing by. Wave to the train, say hi, hi, hi. Ride, 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 let's all explore. Different transports, there's so much more. From the land to the sky so high. Ride with us now, don't be shy.
Splish splash, boats on the sea, sailing along so free. White sails are big steamers, watching boats, what dreamers.
Whoosh! Up goes the plane, over the clouds, across the rain. Flying high, we soar and zoom, above the world, over the moon. Ride, 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 let's all explore. Different transports, there's so much more. From the land to the sky so high. Ride with us now, don't be shy. So many rides from here to there. In the sky, on land, or water fair. Thanks for riding, Miss June with me. Transport fun for all to see.
Hello, kids! Which transport is this? Is it a bus or car? Correct! It is a car. Yeah! What is this? It is a plane or ship? Correct! It is a ship. Yeah! See you next time.
Please like and subscribe to Toddler Tales Time.